Hey y'all, it's me Marty. Welcome to another video. And I'm gonna go on a little hike. I have been aching for a hike. To put my pack on, to get some fresh air, exercise, enjoy God's creation, go for a little adventure. And I'm gonna do it today. So I am trucking west from Minnesota with a load of canned food, going to Bellingham, well, Stanwood, something, and Bellingham, Washington for Tuesday morning. It is Saturday morning right now, and I have some extra time, and I just need to do something fun once in a while. I'll go crazy on the road. And so I'm gonna get a little hike in here. So where I'm at, I am at exit 32 on I-94 westbound in western North Dakota. Probably the prettiest part of North Dakota, I think. North Dakota is pretty flat. And this is Theodore Roosevelt National Park. And actually at this rest area here, exit 32, you can access the park here and you can see Painted Canyon. And there's actually trails here. So I've never done it. I actually stopped at this rest area once, but I never checked it out. There's actually a gift shop, a welcome center, and everything here. And but there's two trails here. One is a 4-mile out and back trail. I think it's 2 miles out and then 2 miles back. And then there's a 1-mile loop. I am going to do the 1-mile loop today. And again, you know, I do short hikes. I just like my little hikes. And I like to take my time and make videos and take pictures and just enjoy it. I'm guessing it's going to take an hour, hour and a half maybe. I don't know, something like that. And then I'll keep trucking west. So supposedly there's buffalo, bison, I don't know which one it is here, which are almost extinct, I think. There used to be millions. There's not too many left. Anyway, we'll see if we see any. We'll see what we see. And yeah, I'm going to do this little hike here. So I thought I'd take you along with me. So here we go. Oh, it feels good to have my pack on. So I have my lightweight 511 Rush 12. I got about 10 pounds in there. I got a couple of waters, some snack bars. I got the 10 essentials in there. Some emergency first aid and survival stuff just in case. It's only about 10 pounds, so it feels really nice. I love this pack. And I got my Spot Messenger on. And you see it there? Boy, the sun is so bright. Send a message to my wife, let her know that I'm okay. And let's check out this trail. Not sure where to access it here. So there's a lot of people here. There's trucks and cars and RVs, and it's a Saturday morning on holiday weekend, Labor Day weekend. So yeah, I don't know what to expect. I think it's going to be fun though. It's a beautiful day, 60 degrees. Still a little warm for me, but it's really nice. There's a lot of people there. There's the visitor center, gift shop. So, okay. Painted Canyon National Trail. 30 minutes, 0.9 mile loop, so just under a mile really. Moderate steep grade stairs. Roosevelt said the Badlands seemed hardly properly to belong to this earth. See why as you discover the unusual geological formations along the Painted Canyon Nature Trail. The trail climbs steeply on its way out of the Badlands. Carry extra water. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oof. Okay. Is that it? Oof. Okay. This is gonna be fun. Am I up for this? Okay. I should have my trekking pole, honestly, but I guess it's kind of downhill going down into the canyon, and then it's uphill going out. Oh my goodness, this does look steep. Oof. Okay. Yeah, I should have my trekking pole. Oh wow. Okay. Wow. Am I up for this? Am I up for this? Oh my goodness, these are some steep stairs here. Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, see, this is why it takes me so long. Because I go slow and I look at things and yeah. Oh, look at this. Talk about a trail. Look at this. Can't believe I'm doing this. I really needed a hike and I haven't had one for a while. Wow. Oh my goodness, yeah. Good night. Purdy. You know, I watch a lot of outdoor hiking, camping, bushcraft, backpacking channels, and you know, I watch a lot of people like Shug and Syntax 77 and Simon and some of those guys. They go for long hikes, 5, 10, 15 mile hikes. I don't think I'll ever do anything that long, but because I like short ones and I really enjoy them. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is so cool. Yeah, this is a big drop. I should have my trekking pole. But, oh my goodness, this is a serious drop. It's going to be interesting to climb out. This is a good test for me. Good exercise. You know, there's a lot of people at the rest area, but I don't think there's a lot of people on the trail. I think I've seen a few people down there. So it's pretty quiet. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. It would be cool to see a buffalo or bison. I don't know if they're the same thing. I'm not sure. Okay. Oh my goodness. Yeah, these steps are really a drop. Oh, I'm so glad I did this. I was like, you know, I'm working. I want to make good time, but I do have some extra time. I really had 4 days to get 2.5 days. Is this a hitching post for horses? Whoa, okay. Is it, you go this way? I'm guessing. What's this way? I don't know. Okay. Oh, I think this is it. I think there's just some offshoots and other routes you can take. I know it's hard to tell on the camera, but it's really steep. I mean, really steep. Okay. What does that mean? Does that mean you can go that way or you can go this way? Well, which is ideal? what do I do? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe one's shorter and one's longer. Oh my goodness, it's quiet. I mean, there's seriously tons. There's probably 100 people at the rest area, but it's silent out here. I mean, silent. Okay, I don't know which way to go. I don't know if there's a shorter or longer. I don't know. Let's go the path less traveled. I don't know which one is less traveled. Ooh, grasshoppers. Ooh. Juniper, maybe? I mean, I would like to see another person so I don't feel so alone out here. I'm not that adventurous, y'all. Seriously. I mean, I love the outdoors, but I'm really kind of a wimp and afraid of everything, really. Good night. Okay. Well, let's go over here. It looks like kind of a little overlook, but I think the trail goes that way. Let's just see here. Oh my goodness, there's I don't have bear spray. I really should have bear spray. I mean, for any kind of critters, really. Oh, nice overlook here. Oh, look at this. So pretty. Okay. Well, that's where I came from up there. Okay. All right. Okay. I'm like, what's that noise? I think it's that sign creaking. Okay. There's footprints, so people were here not too long ago. Oh, this is gorgeous. Just gorgeous. What a blessing. Oh yeah, I think these are junipers. Gosh, there's all kinds of offshoots. Boy, this is a steep. I'm still dropping, y'all. I'm going downhill. So I'm guessing. Gosh, it goes all different ways here. I think there's just a bunch of little offshoots for views. Whoa, there was a grasshopper just buzzed by. Look at this. So pretty. So pretty. Okay. I'm guessing that the ascend out of the canyon is going to be steep. I mean, it says it is. But gee. Okay. Where is everybody? I can't believe I'm the only one on the trail. Is this a trail? Or did it go that way? I don't want to go the wrong direction, especially downhill, and then I have to go back. Every once in a while there's a sign. I don't see one here. I don't know if I'm still on the trail. It's not real clear here. Hopefully you can hear me. It's a little breezy, which I'm glad for. Oh, goodness. Morning.
Hi there.
Is this still the trail?
It is actually over that way, I believe it was. I was just following. See the peg up there?
Oh, okay.
You follow that.
That way down?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Sorry to interrupt. No Have a good day. Thank you. Yeah, I've been exercising a lot, but I haven't got real good at push-ups. Boy, he's doing push-ups here on a trail. Good night. He's a bigger man than me. Ugh. Okay, I'm going back uphill to get to that pole. Okay. There's a whole bunch of offshoots. It gets a little confusing. Alright, how do I get to that pole? Whoa. Okay. Yeah, there's offshoots all over the place. Okay. Oh, there's footprints here. Watch for snakes and critters. Okay. I'm starting to get tuckered out. Oh, okay. So I was supposed to come down there. Alright. Okay. Back on track. Oh, it's pretty narrow in some spots here. Oh, good night. Selfie time. All right. It's getting more closed in than I like, but wow, this is pretty. Look at this. I mean, it's actually woods. I didn't expect this. I thought it was going to be all rock. Ooh, it's nice and cool in here. This is so great. I love it. Okay. Duck. Duck, duck, gray duck. And it is duck, duck, gray duck. I'm from Minnesota. I know. I think we're the only ones that say duck, duck, gray duck. The whole rest of the world says duck, duck, goose. But that doesn't make any sense. Why would a goose be in there? That doesn't make any sense. What kind of trees are these? I think they're either cedar or shagbark hickory, I think. Pretty. Look at this. So what I do, if you all don't already know, I do a video. Oh, look at this. It can't be downhill the whole way. I know, it's going to be uphill at the end. Most of you know I make a video and then I put it on my YouTube channel. But while I'm doing the video, I take pictures. Oh my goodness, this is steep. Well, that's interesting. That's really interesting. And I take pictures, and the pictures I put on Facebook. So then you check out my Facebook page if you're a friend or family. Martin Leon on Facebook. Good night. This is steep. A trekking pole or hiking stick would have been nice, but I got my new Sketcher hikers, and they're gripping pretty good. This is absolutely gorgeous. I hope I survive this. This is just a wonderful trail. Wonderful. My goodness. Okay. The path less traveled here. But yeah, so if you want to check out my Facebook page, you can see the pictures of this hike. And obviously, if you're watching my YouTube channel, you're seeing the video. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. I'm a little scared about the climb out of here. Because I've been going downhill for a long ways. Am I still on the trail? I hope. Oh wow, look at this. I wonder what lives in there. I'm not gonna stick around to find out. Wow, this is pretty though. There's a lot of different landscape in here. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay. Well, this is quite the hike. Oh my goodness. You gotta be kidding me. It's this much downhill. It's gonna be one heck of a climb out. I gotta be halfway. It's less than a mile, but it's a lot up and down. So far it's just been down. Okay, climbing a little bit now. Oh my goodness. Chickadee-dee-dee, chickadee-dee-dee. I like chickadees, one of my favorite birds. Oh, this is... Okay, y'all. You gotta check out this hike. It's a 1 mile loop hike, but it's pretty intense. If I'm gonna send a message to my wife. Tell her I'm okay. And all is good. But yeah, if I would have done this 6 weeks ago, when I weighed 257 pounds, I probably would have had a heart attack about a half hour ago. But I weighed myself this morning, and oh wow, seriously, just gorgeous. Weighed myself this morning, 6 weeks. I am 230. I've lost 27 pounds in 6 weeks. And no drugs, no fancy diet, no costly thing. Didn't have to pay for anything. I put together this little diet myself. It's a Marty diet. And I'm tired. Okay, it goes that way, and it goes this way. And what I do, tell you real quick here. Oh, good night. 5 things, y'all. Prayer, number 1. 2, only eating healthy foods, whole foods, meats and fish and veggies and fruit for the most part. Number 3, keeping my calories to around 1,500 average. Number 4, fasting 16 hours a day. I only eat 2 meals a day. And number 5, exercise. I go for walks every morning and evening. I do exercise throughout the day. I run laps around my truck, and it's working for me. It's hard, but not as hard as I thought it would be, and for the benefits, it's amazing. So yeah, I feel better. I feel great. Yeah, less doctor visits. I feel healthier, more energy. I'm sleeping better. Yeah. So yeah, just find your own diet, your own new lifestyle, and run with it. So yeah. Okay. I'm guessing it's this way. There's a pole there, but it doesn't say Painted Canyon. But I'm guessing it's here. Okay. Now we're going uphill. Okay. I don't know if we're climbing out now. I'm guessing. My goodness, it's been a while. I'm guessing. So now I'm going uphill. I'm getting a little weak and shaky. Oh, this is wonderful. Now, what I always say, do what you can, y'all, wherever you're at in life. Life is busy. Life is hard. We all have limitations, and we're at different places in life, different age, and all the different stuff. But I still encourage you to do what you can and live life fully alive. And find your adventure. Okay, I see the rest area up there, so I'm... Good night. I'm guessing I'm starting the climb out. Take a break in a minute. And drink some water and maybe have a protein bar. I'm actually over my 16-hour fast for the day. I'm actually at 17 hours. So, but I wanted to. It's good to exercise during your fast, because then you're burning off fat instead of muscle. You know, I'm just learning all this stuff, y'all. Take it with a grain of salt. Seek your doctor, nutritionist. You know, boy, is that poop? Good night. That's a big poop if it is. Oh, scared the poop out of me. Speaking of poop, that was a rabbit. Hey, rabbit. Hey, bugs. Scared me. Okay. Yeah, this is a 1-mile hike at a rest area in a national park, and I'm still scared. These guys they'll hike 5-10 miles out in the middle of the wilderness, and they'll sleep under a tarp in the dark by themselves. It's amazing. I love to watch those videos because I know I'll never do it. Okay. You know what? Let's take a quick break. I usually don't. During my hike, but I'm feeling like I should.
Bye, yeah.
Hey, sure. Have a good day.
You too.
Ah, yeah. Okay. I think I'm going to save my protein bar for the end of the hike as a little carrot, so to speak. Let my wife know I'm still alive. So far. Okay, let's go. Okay. So, y'all know, when I do hikes and videos, it's not rehearsed, and I don't do a lot of editing, and I usually record the whole hike. So however long this is going to be is the whole hike. I've recorded the whole hike. And if it's an hour long, then it took me an hour. I'm not cutting out anything. So, yeah. Okay. Let's keep rolling. We got to be halfway. But I think the last part's going to be the hardest. Okay. And now we're looking into the sun. Oh, this has been wonderful. I needed this. Yep, we're climbing now. We are climbing. Oh. Oh, and I forgot to put my Garmin Forerunner watch on. It would track my steps and all that. Forgot. Yeah. Gonna be slower the rest of the way because I'm climbing. Okay. I'm gonna bug, beetle, something. Okay. I'm starting to run out of gas, y'all. Okay. I knew the last part of it. I ate.
You can go ahead.
Oh, thanks. Have a good day. They're going the other direction. I guess it's a climb out either direction. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I can do this. I can do all things through Christ, who gives me strength. Philippians 4:13. Come on. Let's go. My legs and hips are feeling it. Yeah. Oof. That's a serious pile of poop. Okay. Okay. I think there's more people coming. I'm gonna step aside and rest a minute. I don't know if y'all can see the colors. I'm colorblind, but it's pretty. I don't know if I really see colors like they say, but yeah. Hi. About how much farther is it that way?
It's not much further.
Oh, okay.
You're almost there.
Good. Wonderful, beautiful hike. Just amazing.
It's pretty. See any buffalo?
No, not yet. I'm looking. I've seen a rabbit. Grasshoppers.
Lots of those.
Yeah. Have a good day.
You too.
I can do this. Oh my goodness. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I don't know if you can tell how steep that is. But as a truck driver, I'm saying it's about 8%, 10% grade or more. I don't know, it might be 25%. Oh my goodness. I do want to see a buffalo. I've seen a couple piles of poop, and I don't know what kind of poop that is, but it could be horse too. Well, no, I think it said no horses, so I don't know. It's so steep. It's so steep. Okay. So pretty. I'm hurting, y'all. I know I'm getting close to the end, but oh gosh, I see the people up there looking down. I gotta catch my breath. Be prepared, y'all. Any little hike or adventure, make sure you have water, snacks, a GPS, the 10 essentials in a pack, a way to start fire, have shelter, and a way to purify water in case emergency. And make sure you tell somebody where you're going before you go. And I did. I told my wife, and I put a message on Facebook so everybody knows. I can see the people up there, so it's not far. But it's so steep. Okay. That's where I need to get. Okay. Let's finish this. I'd like to know what the elevation is here. I'll have to check. That way or this way? Guessing this way. I hear people. Oh yeah, I see a sign. I think people are coming down as I'm going up. Oh, another poop. Yeah, I don't know. That's some big poop. I wouldn't think the buffalo or bison would be on the trail, but maybe. Boy, I don't know if I want to run into one, because one of us would have to move to the side. Oh, is this? Oh, I remember the sign. Okay, so it's kind of a lollipop. So I went that way. And I came back that way. So I'm getting close to the end. But remember how steep it was? Okay. I'm not far. Okay. Okay. I remember this hitching post. Let's lean on it a minute. I'm not gonna lie. This has been a challenge for me, but absolutely wonderful. Okay, I'm gonna rest just a minute here and then finish. There's people coming down. I'll let them pass. I'm shaking. Painted Canyon in western North Dakota. I believe it's actually part of the Badlands that are also in South Dakota. So pretty.
Taking a break.
Yeah, I think this is a hitching post, but I'm using it for a leaning post.
I think that's
And it's a leaning post, not a hitching post.
Yeah,
it's reasonable.
it's a wonderful hike. I went to the left and then I just came back on the right.
Yeah.
But it's uphill, the last part either way.
We're just doing a quick stretch on the road.
Okay, yeah, I'm a truck driver.
Oh, that's fantastic.
I stop everywhere I can and just get little hikes in. And
Perfect. Well, especially honestly, this stretch is the best part of it because you're getting your cardio, you're getting your large muscles.
yeah, yep,
Your back's getting good, especially back.
yeah.
Those glutes need it.
Have a good day.
You're probably the smartest truck driver we've run into.
Well, I just started about 6 weeks ago. I started a new lifestyle.
Okay.
I'm not eating junk food anymore. I'm only eating whole foods, no processed stuff.
More planning, but you can do it.
Yeah, it's 16-hour fast every day, 2 meals. I pray through it all, and I've lost 27 pounds today in the last 6 weeks.
Good job.
And I feel so much better. And
It's a hard lifestyle, and it's easy to get in those ruts.
it is. I used to eat donuts and chips every day.
Appreciate your work on the highways.
Thank you.
Giving up your other parts of your life to make sure we have what we need.
Yes, thank you so much.
I'm a frontline worker. Everyone forgets about you guys.
Yeah.
You're the hardest ones of all.
Thank you for all you guys do. Yeah. He had a firefighter or EMS shirt on, so they must be first responders or firemen or something. Or firefighters or EMS or something. That's pretty cool. Yeah, if you're a first responder out there, if you are a military veteran or serving, thank you for all you do. And thank you for all the truck drivers out there. But also, thank you for the healthcare workers, home care workers, the factory workers, the woodworkers and the steel workers and the oil and whatever job you have. It's important. And being a husband and a wife and a father and a mother and just everything you do, just thank you for who you are. good night. He's running up the he's running up the trail. Yeah, that'll be me someday. Not. Lucky if I can hike it. But yeah. Okay, let's finish this. Let's do it, y'all. Again, this is in real time. I haven't paused or anything. I don't know, for some reason that gave me a burst of energy. Oh, good night. That's right, I came down this, remember? I might have to rest one more time. I don't know. I see it. But it's so steep.
Go either way, Alexi. Do you want to go back to the routine? Yeah.
Okay. I'm almost there. We can do this. Lord, help me do this. Son of a nutcracker. All right. Okay. So it was 2:30 this morning when I weighed, and I'm like, it's August 31st. My birthday's on September 17th. I'm hoping to be in the 220s by then. Pretty sure I'm in the 220s already. I think I just lost a pound or two. That was a serious workout, I'm not gonna lie. That was a challenge, but it was amazing. Marty, from Marty's Ramblings, coming to you from Theodore Roosevelt National Park, Painted Canyon in western North Dakota, August 31st, 2024. I made it. It was hard, but it was amazing. Live life fully, y'all. Find your adventure. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up. If you like my channel, please subscribe, comment, and share, and all that fun stuff. Watch my other videos. I got hundreds of adventures. Find yours. We'll see you on the next one.